In front of me is Nubia Flip, and today I would like to show you how you can add emergency numbers. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access Safety and Emergency. Then tap on Emergency Contacts. Select Add Contact and click on the one that you wish to add. Then do exactly the same with all the other ones you need. Now, if you want to change order of your contacts, hit Reorder at the top right corner and hold the chosen one to move it. After establishing a perfect list, hit Save at the top right corner. If you wish to discard the changes you made, this X at the top left one. Now to remove any contact from your list, use this X next to the chosen one and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!